I'm pretty sure that you have heard about the trend is your friend. This is a pretty famous line on the trading sector, and this is a true line also. And if you can utilize this line in real-time trading while trading binary options, then it can be extremely profitable. So as you can see here, firstly you need to make all of this currency pair favorite, that is giving you payout of over 80%. And you just select the candlestick time frame as 10. That means each of these candles are forming in 10-second time frame, and then you can select your trading time frame 10. Now you don't see this 10 seconds, so you need to select this S5 and increase it to 10. And if it is flag at here, make it clock before doing this and decide the amount that you want to invest. Now you can see here is a trend and there is 3 seconds. Now let me make a trade firstly. So this market was going up, right? And most probably there was a chance of this candle also going up, and it went. At first we thought that it's going to be lost, but we made a profit in this candle, this chart. Now this doesn't mean that all of your trade is going to be right. You just need to find this kind of market where market is strongly going up. Okay, it is strongly going up, and you just wait for next candle to open and just make trade in that same direction. Now let's see in another chart. So here you can see market is strongly falling, 3 second, 2 second, 1 second, and we made a trade by clicking on lower. So as I've already told you, not all of your trades are going to be profitable, but most of your trades are going to be profitable if you can find these kind of charts where market is falling straightly down or going straightly up. So let's see in another chart, and please do like this video. Okay guys, I'm doing lots of research to bring this kind of video for you guys, and you can literally appreciate just by liking this video, and it will also help this video to reach to more people so that more people can watch and earn more. So let's go. This is not a good chart. Okay, this is not a good chart. Here you can see the corpse. You need this kind of straight line. You need to find that kind of chart. Here you can see it is also not to be traded. This chart is also not to be traded. Similarly, let's see in another. Yeah, this is somewhat good. So 3 2 1 and make trade by clicking on higher. So but here also you can see there was a consolidation, so you could have avoided it. But let's see what happens in this trade. Seems like we are going to make profit, and we made a profit, but this kind of consolidation is also danger. Okay, when there is a strong trend. So we have already made 3 profit, so I'll just stop when there is going to be 1 loss. This is also going to be a money management for you to trade with this strategy. Okay, whenever there is 1 loss or 2 loss, you need to stop trading. So let's see in another chart to find out. So here you can see this is also a good chart because it is going straightly up, but here is a little bit consolidation is happening, so you can ignore this chart. Okay, so let's see what happens. Here you can see this consolidation is dangerous thing, okay, in this strategy. So let's see in another chart. This is not a good chart. You need a straight line, either it is going up. This is also not a good chart. And let's see in another. This is also not a good chart. This is also not a good chart. This is also not a good chart. This is also not. No. Yeah, this is one good chart. Okay, so you can make trade by clicking on higher, because here you can see there was a straight line. Even if it was in the resistance area, we still made a trade, and most probably we are going to lose this trade. But the strategy is as simple as this.